How to load TTC Monthly Pass on Presto. To load a TTC Monthly Pass onto your Presto card, you have several options. As for online users, log into your Presto account and select the TTC Monthly Pass to load onto your card. For the Presto app, use the official Presto app to instantly load the pass onto your card. And lastly, if you are in person, visit a Shoppers Drug Mart location, a Presto vending machine at any TTC subway station, or the TTC Customer Service Center above Davisville Station to load the pass. Please note that TTC monthly passes are available for purchase from the 12th day of the previous month until the 8th day of the month for which the pass is valid. For example, to purchase a pass for March, you can do so between February 12th and March 8th. Just make sure that the pass is valid for the month you need. And if you loaded it online, tap your card on a Presto device since it's, like a TTC gate or bus reader, at least once to activate the pass. And so, that is basically it. I hope this been helpful to you somehow. It's a tough one, but that was it then. See you again. Thank you.